Want to create a Google spreadsheet for free? In this video, I'll show you the easiest step-by-step method. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a Google spreadsheet and start editing it from any device. Step 1. Open Google Chrome. Go to Google Docs, docs.google.com, then /spreadsheet. Whenever you create a Google spreadsheet, you must logged in with your Gmail account. So you will see this dashboard. Okay. Second step, once the page open, click on blank spreadsheet. Okay, which is available here. You simply click on it and your blank spreadsheet will create it. Okay, here left hand top corner, you simply change the name of the spreadsheet. So here I'm going to change the name of it. So you can see that this name is saved. Now start entering the data into the cells. So here I'm going to add serial number, like date and amount. Okay. By this way you can easily use it. For example, 1, and here you may add date and amount. Okay. So here I'm going to add date, and here we going to add amount over here. Okay, so by this way you can easily create and save your data into your Excel. And here the quick tip, here you can see the share option. You simply click on this drop down button and here you will see copy link, and you will share this link to your colleague or your friend, so they can also work with this Excel file. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can create spreadsheet in Google Sheet. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer.